What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Monday. So I know I didn't make a video last week going over how much I made in dividend from my portfolio. So I'm just gonna go over that real quick here in this video, and just gonna give you guys a recap real quick on how the portfolio is doing. And now that we started a new week in the stock market, so today is actually the last day of March. Tomorrow will be April 1st. So we are going to be focusing on dividends from the 31st all the way to the 4th. All right. So keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button to follow me on my investment journey. I appreciate each and every single one of you that have been supporting the channel. And any comments, questions, anything like that, definitely leave them in the comments section down below. So right now, the portfolio is at $55,491, down $174 for the day. So today was another pretty bad day in the overall stock market. I do want to go over my dividends from last week to just show you guys. I did add up all the numbers over the weekend, so I'll just show you guys here real quick so you guys can see. Phoebe gave me $37.89. XDTE gave me $1.13. YMAX gave me $1.28. YMAG paid me $39. Nvidia gave me $2.87. QDTE $26.78. NFLP $65. FEPI $54.54. AIPI $67.51. So those were the dividends from last week. And tonight, I'm actually getting SCHD and VOO. We're getting around $26 from those two positions that I have. So nothing crazy with the VOO or SCHD. You know, if you want higher yield, you definitely got to look into at least some of the Curve ETFs, the NEOs. The Yield Max ones do pay nice dividends, the pretty high ones, but you know the NAV is pretty volatile. You're gonna probably get burned in majority of the Yield Max funds like I have. You know, unless they recover, then yeah, it's probably a good fund. But a lot of the Yield Max ones, even some of the Round Hills, are struggling right now. As well as Defiance. I mean, I have SPY T and QQT from Defiance. But, you know, again, the overall market is down, so a lot of these positions will be down as well. So this week, we're obviously looking at dividends from YMAX, QDTE, XDTE, and SPY T and QQT as well, and TSLP. So we got these two positions that I have from Defiance. This one tracks the S&P 500. I am down 7%, so we're going to get dividends from SPY T, QQT. This one tracks the NASDAQ. And TSLP from Curve. This one tracks Tesla. I have 78 shares. I'm down 6%. So those are coming in this week, as well as Coney and Nefli from YieldMax. So Coney, I am down pretty big. 480 shares. I'm down 52% in Coney. This one has been doing terrible. Nefli, 62 shares. I'm down 4%. Not as bad as Coney, but Coney is pretty much destroying my portfolio right now. As well as Tesla, and I think that's about it. Because Tesla, I am down 36%, so I'm down $760 from Tesla. It's not looking too good. YMAX as well. YMAX, this is probably the biggest position in my portfolio with 978 shares. I'm down 25%, down $4,000. So not looking good for Yield Max right now. So, you know, that's what I'm going to focus on this week. Those are the positions that I have in my portfolio that are going to pay. Right now, even though the market isn't looking too good, I am just dollar cost averaging little amounts because I don't want to use crazy amounts of margin. Because, you know, when you're using margin, especially on a bear market, or, you know, I'm not saying right now it is a bear market, but as stocks are pulling back, it could be pretty risky when you're using a lot of margin. So I try to use little amounts each and every single day. But Obviously, the main goal is for the dividends to pay back the margin and use some of that dividends as well for bills and etc. So that's what I try to do. Everyone has a different investing strategy. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. I made over, actually, I didn't go over how much I made in dividends for last week. I made over $708 and 1 cent. So that brought my total up to March in dividends to $2,408 and 1 cent. All right, so it's going to be probably 2,400 and what did I say, 26 or like $34 with the VOO and SCHD. So I did not beat February's dividend amount. I made 2,778. So I'm going to be around 2,400 for March. April, it might not look too good either, depending on how the market tends to perform. So I'll keep you guys up to date on that. Again, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. You guys do not have to follow any of my positions. You guys do what works best for you. So I'm looking for income and a little bit of growth in my portfolio. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter as well. And if you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, definitely check out my link and you guys get a free stock. So appreciate all of you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.